This is gonna be a mess. Everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Vesly. This is my first episode, probably my last, of my cooking series, Chefly Vesly. I don't know if you guys know this, but I am an amazing cook. Like, cooking is bad, baby. I'm a chef. ¿Sé cómo cocinar?
No.
A master in what I do.
Malo.
I am a chocolatier. I am a baker. Right, I'm a good cook?
No.
She's joking. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment what else you guys want me to make. I hope you guys enjoyed. This video was something else. Yeah, let's get right into the video. We just got back from the supermarket and now I want to show you guys what I got. We have raw peeled shrimp, soy sauce to go with the shrimp, honey, salt, pepper that I can't find, potatoes, pepper, and a whole bunch of spices. We have crushed bell pepper, paprika, parsley flakes. And also for my potatoes, we also have Parmesan cheese. And I couldn't leave without getting Lunchables. First, we're gonna start off with the potatoes, the garlic Parmesan potato wedges. I already washed the potatoes, and now we're gonna cut them. I have two different knives because I don't know which one to use. So you take it and you wanna cut it like that. And now we're just gonna keep going. They're kind of hard to chop. Now the next potato. So I'm gonna take it, chop it in the middle. Okay. This is a lot harder than it looks. Shh. Oh, my potato. Now we're gonna put our potatoes on this plate. Ta-da. In the video, they then put some sauces, so we're going to put the spices they put. They're cutting in eggs. Okay, we got that. Parmesan. Okay, so we're going to open the Parmesan cheese. We're gonna put 1 cup of it. Okay. 1 tablespoon. How many tablespoons is a cup? 16. We're gonna put 16 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 1 cup of Parmesan. We need 1/4 cup of parsley. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon, you know. 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna take this thing and we're gonna put it in this. Oh shit! I didn't mix it. We're gonna mix. We're gonna take a potato, dump it in the egg, or dump the egg on it, like that, and then we're gonna put it in the paprika. Then it goes right on top of here, on top of the aluminum foil. Now I'm gonna take all the potatoes and I'm gonna put it in the egg. So now we're gonna dump the egg all over it. Make sure it's everywhere around it. Everywhere. And take all the potatoes and dump them in here. This is actually turning out really good. I already got dirty. Life of a talented chef. Burnt. I probably burnt it. But it's drying up now. Now I'm gonna put the soy sauce. It's gonna taste bad. No. I'm gonna top it and let it sit there for another 5 minutes. Finally, a time of rest. I finally get to sit down and like not worry about the food. You know what I'm saying? Cooking. Excuse me. Cooking is exhausting. My potatoes are done. Now I'm gonna try to take them out. With what though? How do I know when this is ready? Ah! Potato chips burned me. When something is so bad, we would just keep eating it. Okay guys, so I finished with both of my foods. And now I'm gonna find someone to taste it. Cause I didn't like that shit. Adding some rice. Some of my amazing gourmet shrimp. Couple here. A couple more because nobody else is gonna eat it. Okay. It actually looks pretty good on the plate, but if you taste it, you're gonna know it's not good. I'm gonna do a poll on my Instagram to see if they think it tastes good. Why are you eating the rice first?
Prepare myself. Okay.
Extra salty.
Yeah, it's salty.
Can y'all have a reaction?
I don't want to offend you.
What did you say? It's bad?
It's salty, look at my owners.
The potatoes are terrible. Oh my god. Ew. This ain't it, sis. Ew. Ew. That's enough.
Layla! Thank you so much for watching me chef it up. I did a terrible job. As you guys can see, I think I now can accept that maybe I'm not a chef. Maybe I'm like a sous chef, an assistant chef, but maybe not the head chef. But I did my best. It was my first time, and I really feel like I'm meant to be a cook. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment what else you want me to make. Bye guys. So this shit hurt me.
No, pero la papa tan buena.